So now we see what is the dot product. You know dot product. Okay, let us take the dot product of two vectors 1, 1, 2 and 1 minus 1, 3. Let us take the dot product of 1, 1, 2 and 1 minus 1, 3. So A dot B, if A is equal to 1, 1, 2. So we know it is a combination of unit vectors. So you can write 1 is a I. Here also J. Here then K. 2K. Okay, you can write like that. This 1, 1, 1. And 1B is equal to, let us take it is equal to 1 minus 1, 3. Equal to, you can take I minus J plus 3K. I minus J plus 3K. Now A dot B is equal to, let us take A dot B. So A dot B is, we know. What is A dot B? A dot B is this dot dot. Okay, we can take. So what is I plus J plus 2K into 1 I minus J plus 3K. So what will get? So you see I dot J is, we know 0. We know what we know. We know what we know. I dot J is A 0. Or J dot K is 0. Or I dot K is 0. So we have to take only the combinations of I. So here one is I is here, I. Coefficient is 1 into 1. So that is equal to 1 into 1. Coefficients only taking 1, 1. Plus here it is J and minus J. So that is 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1. Plus next 2 into 3. 2 into 3. So the answer you are getting is 1 minus 1 0, 2 plus 3 6. So A dot B is 6. A dot B is 6. If we want to take the modulus of A, what is the modulus of A? There is a score. What is the modulus of A? We want to take the modulus of A. Modulus of A is equal to square root of the vector I plus J plus or 2. That is 1 squared plus 1 squared plus 2 squared. So what is that? That is equal to square root of plus 1. 1 plus 1. 2 plus 4. 6. So square root of 6. Answer is 4 plus 1 plus 1. 6. Square root of 6. Like that modulus of B also we can take. Okay. In that way we can find out the modulus of a vector. Modulus of a vector. Now in the dot products and conditions is dot A is greater than or equal to 0. This is one condition. And then second condition I'm telling is mod of A dot B is equal to, mod of B is greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, take it A dot B less than or equal to modulus of A into modulus of B. Understand? This is less than or equal to. So it will not be coming greater than the value. Okay. And now we will see what is a third condition is modulus of A plus B is less than or equal to K. Modulus of A plus modulus of B. Okay. This is the one. You can see. These conditions you have to. 4 is A dot B is equal to B dot A. Okay, B dot A. Okay. Also, I want to tell you modulus of A squared equal to modulus of A into modulus of A. Remember, these are the formulas around about dot product. Now let us take parallel condition. One is parallel condition, two is perpendicular condition. Already we know the how it is parallel and how it is perpendicular. Now, okay. If A dot B is equal to 0, then it is perpendicular. I am telling about another concept here now. For a vector, A is equal to, let us take a vector A is equal to A1i plus A2j plus A3k, and vector B is equal to V1i plus V2j plus V3k. In this case, how we will develop perpendicular or parallel? How we know these are perpendicular or parallel? That we are going to take lesson. Okay. If it is perpendicular, what happens is A dot B equal to 0. This is condition for perpendicularity. Perpendicular. But parallel, what is parallel? What is parallel? Parallel condition is, what is parallel condition? Parallel condition is B will take the coefficients of I division. A1 by B1 must be equal to A2 by B2, must be equal to A3 by B3, must be equal to a scalar lambda. Okay, see here A1i, A2j, A1k, A3k, and B1j, B2j, B3k. So A1 by B1 equal to A2 by B2 equal to A3 by B3 is equal to lambda. Then this is parallel. Condition for parallel. This is the condition for parallel. This is the condition for perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular means it is A dot B 0. We know already. We have to take A1 B1 like that. We can take plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3 must be equal to 0. Okay. Now, when you do these problems, here I squared is equal to J squared is equal to K squared is equal to 1. Remember, always this. I squared is J squared, K squared. Let us see the projection of A is equal to I minus 2j plus k on vector B is equal to 4i minus 4j plus 7k. How to find the projection? We know projection of A on B equal to A dot B by B. A dot B by B. Okay, projection of A on B is A dot B by B. So we can take how we will know. Now I think it is easy now for you to calculate the projection. A dot B we know. What is A dot B? A dot B equal to I minus 2j plus k into 4i minus 4j plus 7k. And you multiply easy multiplication. That is 1 into 4 minus 2 into 4 is 8 plus 8. And 1 is 7, getting 7. This is equal to 90. Now what is the modulus of B? So we get this as 19. Now modulus of B is equal to, what is the modulus of B that we know? 4 is equal to square root of 416 plus 16 plus 49. So Answer is 49 plus 32 means it is the square root of 81, which means it is equal to 9. So you get the answer. Now what is the projection of A on B? Is projection of A on B. A on B is equal to 19 by 9. So that is the projection of A on B. Okay. There are some more points we have to note. One is this scalar projection of, remember it is scalar projection of A on B. A on B. This A dot B by A in the direction of B. A on B means A in the direction of B. So we have to take a direction here B. Okay. Now, then another thing is vector projection. Scalar projection and vector projection are different. Vector means it is orthogonal projection. Orthogonal. Projection is orthogonal. So vector projection means it is a product of scalar projection of remember that is product of scalar projection of A on B and a unit vector along B and a unit vector along B. So see, this is and a unit vector along B. So it's projection. So projection of A on B equal to, you can write first a product of scalar product, that is A into B, A into B by modulus of A into B by modulus of A on B, modulus of B. Okay. And unit vector along B. So into unit vector B. Understand? The unit vector is done by this representation. Representation of unit vector is this. So A into B by, so projection of A on B into B. And that equal to, we can take, let us take A into B by modulus of B. Let us take another modulus of B here. So that there is a V by, we can write like this, V by B modulus. That is a unit vector along. Since unit vector, you can write V by B. Okay. So you can write unit vector as unit vector along direction is equal to vector divided by modulus of the vector. Remember this also. Sometimes asked as a simple question. Okay. So you see this is a unit vector. V is a unit vector along B, and there is can write vector B by modulus of B. Okay. So that is here. So what we get is, this is B squared we will get. So A dot B by, we will get it as B squared. And into B. Okay. Into B. You can take like that. Into B. Okay. This is the other equation. Now we see what is the cosine of the angle between the vectors. We know A dot B is AB cos theta. So then you can write A dot B by modulus of A into modulus of A dot B is AB cos theta. we know less dot product, basic dot product definition. So the angle is cos theta is that, theta is cos inverse of what of this product? A dot B. A dot B. Cos inverse of A dot B. A and B are unit vectors. Unit vectors. Okay, remember, if A and B are unit vectors between the two vectors, okay. A and B are two unit vectors. Now we see what is a vector product. Already we know what is vector product. Scalar product we know, that's A dot B. Scalar product is A dot B. We know what is scalar product. Scalar product is A dot B. A dot B. Scalar product is A dot B. Now vector product is A cross B. Remember, it is A cross B. The symbol is A cross B. And that is defined as A cross B equal to AB sin theta and a unit vector n. See the unit vector sin theta n. Okay. Since it is a unit vector, you can take A cross B is equal to AB sin theta. Hence unit vector means it is 1. It is a unit vector. See, it is a unit vector means it is 1. Unit vector. Unit vector, 1. Remember here, n is a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. A and B. If A and B are two vectors, n is a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Okay. Now B cross A equal to, remember this also, B cross A is minus A cross B. Minus A cross B. That is, they are opposite in direction. Opposite in direction. So direction of A, B cross A and minus A cross B are different, opposite. That is why minus sign is here. Now some of the properties we will see here. A cross A equal to 0. Remember, A cross A is equal to 0. Because angle between these sin 0 is 0. Sin 0, 0. So A cross A is 0. Then you can multiply by a scalar a cross b will be equal to, you can write ma into cross b or equal to a into ma cross mb. Okay. So what is it mean is a scalar multiplied by a scalar will be, this property is called associative property. Associative property. Dot product also same. You can multiply by m into a dot b is equal to m a dot b equal to a dot m dot b. Okay. Same. Now a cross, these properties are same for dot product also. V plus C. What is that? That is a cross V plus a cross C. Remember, this is a number also, number addition also same properties like. So this is called the distributive law. Distributive property or law. This is a distributive property. Okay. So you see, as we know sin 0 is equal to 0, we know 0 comes for parallel vectors. So parallel vectors a cross b is equal to 0. Parallel vector or collinear meeting at the same point. Okay, collinear, theta is 0 or theta is 180 degree. Collinear, what is collinear? Lies in one line. Collinear means 2 points are collinear means lies in one line. This is collinear. Collinear. Okay. There is how you could find the area of a triangle. If you want to find the area of a triangle, you want to test, then find the area. If you want to prove that it's collinear, then area of the triangle, in the case of triangle, area is equal to 0. Collinear. Collinear. Parallel or collinear? No. If second is if A cross B equal to, suppose it is AB, then AB means theta is equal to 90 degree or perpendicular. Vectors are perpendicular. Equal to AB means it is vectors are perpendicular. Another one is if A and B are unit vectors, AB are unit vectors, then A cross B is equal to AB sin theta n, which is equal to AB is 1, which will be equal to sin theta into n is unit vector in this direction. Okay, unit vector. AB, product of unit vector, that is modulus of A. A means equal to modulus of A, that is equal to 1. A is modulus of A equal to 1, B is modulus of B equal to 1. Remember. So AB is 1, so sin theta into n. Okay. Now, fourth property is I cross J. Because of 90 I jet sin 90 is equal to 1. Remember this one. Okay. Sin nd into n is a unit vector. Is a unit vector. So its direction is perpendicular both I and d. Remember, n is a unit vector perpendicular to both I, j. Okay, both I and j. Both I and j. Perpendicular to both I and j. So n is equal to k. So I, j, k are n is equal to k. What is that? Is I cross j is equal to k. I cross j is equal to k, and because it is a unit vector perpendicular to both I and j, and j cross k is equal to, what is that? J cross I? J cross k is I, and k cross I is equal to, sorry, k cross I is equal to j. Okay. And also we can write A cross B as a in matrix form I, j, k, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. If A is equal to A1I plus A2J plus A3K, and B is equal to B1I plus B2J plus B3K. Remember, in this question, A cross B is equal to IJK, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Now we see modulus of A cross B. So, modulus of A, the modulus of B into sin theta into n is our modulus. Now, there is modulus of A into modulus of A into modulus of E into sin theta into modulus of n. What is modulus of n? It's a unit vector. So what is 1. So that is you can write modulus of A into modulus of B sin theta. Theta should lie between 0 to, theta is between 0 and 180 degree. Okay, now sin theta is equal to modulus of A cross B by modulus of A into modulus of B. Remember, this is a unit vector, its modulus is 1. Since modulus of a unit vector is 1. Remember this. That's a unit vector. Perpendicular to both A and B. Equal to n A cross B into modulus of A cross B. Remember, this is it. A cross B into modulus of A cross B. Vector area of a triangle. Remember, vector of a triangle is half into area is half into A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A. Vector area of a triangle is A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A. Okay. Area of triangle is area is half into A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A. I think it is clear to you now. Area is half into A cross B plus C cross A.